how to teach yourself anything. So, why am I qualified to tell you this? Well, I'm the perfect person to tell you how to tell yourself to do anything, because I completely skipped school. I never went to school, so I taught myself how to do everything. And then I went to college. Don't ask me how I went to college without going to school. I'm just like that. I'm just that guy. I went to college. I went to college for art, and I dropped out immediately because I realized that I could teach myself better than they could teach me. So here's how I would tell you. Here's how you do it, basically. First things first. How do you teach yourself? First step, you let somebody else tell you what to do. Now, this may seem counterintuitive because the whole point is to not listen to anybody, but just listen. So, what you need to do is go to YouTube. Hear me out. You go to YouTube and you search up how to do this for beginners, and you watch like one video, and immediately apply that video. If you're gardening, watch that video. Don't watch any more videos. Apply that video. If you're drawing, same thing. Watch the video, do the drawing, and then stop watching YouTube videos. Because what will happen is you will get into this cycle where you're just watching videos and videos about the same topic, but you feel like you're actually getting stuff done, but you're not. So watch one video and implement it, and then experiment on your own. And from there, you will just naturally evolve. Now, it's not going to be easy, but when you start to teach yourself, you start to get an intuitive sense. It's what we call taste. You start to get your own taste. I just have to say, real quick, that joke was really bad. I thought it was a good idea, but it wasn't, so I'm sorry about that. I don't want to understate, like, how bad that joke was. It was post-ironic, okay? It was post-ironic, so I don't want to remove it, so. Step 2, be obsessive. So, this works preferably, you are either unemployed or deeply depressed. You have a lot of time on your hands. I suggest just getting obsessed with whatever you want to do. Whether it's guitar or drawing or music production or farming or building, anything. Every single day, get at it. And if it's not fun, then don't do it. If you're not passionate enough about something to do it every day and to chip away at it and get lost in it, then just give up. That's step 3, give up. Step 3.5, if you don't like it, just give up, because who cares? Step 3, creativity. So once you watch that first beginner video and you start practicing and learning, don't just get stuck practicing over and over again. You should do lots of practicing, the most practicing. But, and always, when you're practicing, don't just repeat. Try to challenge yourself to think in new ways every time you're practicing. And then, what you need to do is shift gears and make something creative. This is huge. This is probably the biggest reason. If there's one takeaway, take this away. The reason that I have done so much and I've learned so much with all these things is because I always have a creative project that I instantly get out of it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I deal with perfectionism is a trap. You're gonna go through it. But don't try to be perfect. Just take what you know and squeeze it into something creative, whatever comes to mind. So if you're drawing, try making a comic. If you're animating, make a 3-minute show out of it, and so on. So it's just always try to create a finished product out of it. And most people never finish their projects. So this is also a good exercise to improve your skill at just finishing things. Finishing things is really important. You don't want to just get halfway through everything. For example, when I'm drawing, I'm almost always drawing my characters that I plan to use. If I'm animating teaser videos with the characters in the world. And when I got into constructing, I just found some random wood and I built a structure. I didn't just keep practicing, you know. And it's gonna suck. The first thing okay, I'll change my mind. I said it doesn't have to be perfect, but in reality, the first thing that you create, the first project, is going to suck. It's going to be terrible, even if it's terrible at the fact that you were able to do it. And next time it gets better and better. If you're a musician, every song you create gets better every single time. Step 4 is learn to take breaks. So, everybody deals with burnout, especially with creative projects, but just in general. It's okay to take a break when it's too much and come back to it. Or take a week off, don't even think about it, and then come back and you'll be refreshed. Or take an hour off, take a break from what you're doing, because what happens is you get tunnel vision a lot. If you're working on a song or a painting or whatever, you're working on it so long that you start to it looks different than it really is. I'll be working on a song and it doesn't even sound like anything anymore. It's like driving me crazy. And I'll be doing that for hours. You step away for 10 minutes, you come back, and it's like you can hear it finally. So you really need to take a break, don't get tunnel visioned, and don't get burnt out. If you watched this whole video, you just wasted your time. I just wanted to let you know that all this advice is really bad, and this is what I do, but it's really bad, and you really shouldn't do it, so thanks for watching though.